The thing cultism-minded people always miss is that joining a cult, the disadvantage is not about the first founder. I mean, the first founder can be a completely madman, right? And being near him is already a madness. But what if the first founder actually has good intentions? The founder of the cult actually has good intentions. What's to say that the next person, his successor, won't be one individual who is a completely different human nature, overcorrected in his own human nature, like you can find out about in my MVP, the quiz I made for the tech product I'm building, and completely goes the other way. Let's use the example of all the people who are excited about an invader invading their nation, a proven invader invading their nation, a proven serious parasite, a gangrenous parasite. Whenever they land on your land, it putrefies. There is rot. Let's talk about those people who think that that person can save them. Cult-minded people, the people who are waiting for somebody to save them, for one of their people, for Nnamdi Kanu to save them, for Christ to save them, for Trump to save them, for one cult leader to save them. Those people are what I'm talking about. So imagine Trump has good intentions. Let's say Trump has good intentions, that he's going to come in and kill all the who you don't even first of all, one of the big issues I have with all this nonsense discussion that is even happening is that before the originator of the conflict is the person coming to help you out in the conflict, and everybody's forgetting that first part of the discussion, the first principle, that these people are the people that are scheming this thing and creating it. They are the people that are doing it. Now everybody now talking about the other part of should they come or should they not come? Are they killing people? Are they not killing people? It's crazy, bro. It's the world. So say Trump has good intentions. Who's to say that the next bitch that gets in the White House is not fucking Hillary Clinton? Maybe so that you go drink your father blood. This world is not, you guys self-determine. And the only way you can self-determine is knowing yourself first, that you're a spirit, and say you get tons of spirits around you. You are not a Christian sheep. You are not any of the different cults and sheep. You are a spirit. You are a sovereign spirit. And now you are inviting somebody that you don't even know if he's arrow. If their arrow is to eat black men. You don't even know if it's black people that they will be feeding their arrow. And you're inviting them to your land. This, my stuff that I'm even saying, I can't even imagine how abstract it sounds to people who don't even understand. But can you